Just quickly wanted to find out if anyone else has had this problem, and if they have, how did they solve it. There's a Volvo S40, and it has a problem with the door. It won't, the mechanism won't work anymore. So I've seen that this happens often. It's a common problem, and you just open up the door and replace the electronic mechanism, and everything is fine. But what do you do if the door is in its locked position and you can't open it to disassemble the mechanism? It's been quite difficult to get to this point, but I don't really see how I can get this thing open. This is where I'm at, and there's a little piece of plastic here that this is the locking and unlocking. I don't know if it's visible, but it's like a spring coming right back. It won't let you unlock it. You can use the manual handle. It doesn't work. Nothing works. Luckily, I thought, have another Volvo S40 here, and I took out the door, same door, front door, and here's the mechanism. Locked, unlock. You pull on it, it unlocks it and opens the door. Okay, but if it's stuck in the lock position and this thing will not open, maybe the motor is stuck in a weird position where it just won't let it open freely, I guess. What do you do? Has anyone had this problem? Has anyone solved this problem without starting to just trash and gut the thing with a hammer and a chisel? And does that even work? How far do you have to get to open it with a hammer and a chisel? Yeah, anything you can send in the comments would be of help. Thanks.